Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful cloud-based spreadsheet application. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Smartsheet available offline? I'll also show you how to use Smartsheet offline, and I'll discuss the pros and cons of using Smartsheet offline. Smartsheet is a great tool for project management, collaboration, and data management. It's a very powerful application, but it does require an internet connection to use. If you're a Smartsheet user, you may be wondering if there is a way to use Smartsheet offline. The good news is that there is. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Smartsheet offline. Is Smartsheet available offline? Yes, Smartsheet is available offline. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. You need to have Smartsheet installed on your computer. You need to be connected to the internet at least once to sync your Smartsheet files. You can only work on files that you have synced to your computer. You will not be able to collaborate with other users while you are offline. How to use Smartsheet offline? To use Smartsheet offline, follow these steps. Install Smartsheet on your computer. Connect to the internet and sign in to Smartsheet. Sync your files to your computer. Disconnect from the internet. Open Smartsheet and start working on your files. Pros and cons of using Smartsheet offline. Pros. You can work on Smartsheet files even when you are not connected to the internet. You can avoid network latency issues. You can use Smartsheet on devices that do not have internet access. Cons. You cannot collaborate with other users while you are offline. You will not be able to access the latest version of your files while you are offline. You will need to sync your files to the internet when you are back online. Smartsheet is a great tool for project management, collaboration, and data management. It is available offline, but there are some limitations to using it offline. If you need to collaborate with other users or access the latest version of your files, you will need to be connected to the internet. However, if you need to work on Smartsheet files when you are not connected to the internet, Smartsheet is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching this video about Smartsheet. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching.